Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako po ay si Fire Peace. Ito po, kaibigan ko, kasama ko na yung kami po ay maglalaro ng Mobile Legends.
Hindi ka na magsabi, oh boss. Hindi ganito ganyan.
Tignan nga eh. Pasensya na po kung may mga ano lang po ako, hindi ako nagsasalita. Pati kasama ko, isa po nagagalit po kami. Kaya po,
Ako na sabihin. Nagalit na ako.
it's okay, wag na. Uy, copyrighted. Tanggalin mo yung tugtog. Uy, copyrighted. Tanggalin mo yung tugtog, copyrighted to. Pumili ka niyan.
Layla ka. Layla ka. Hindi. Lock. Hindi ka papatay ha. Yamas na maglaban sa
Wala kasi akong skin dito eh. Maganda sana kung may skin ako dito. No? No, Josh?
ako meron.
May skin din ako dyan eh.
Epic to, epic.
Epic din naman skin ko dyan. Ayun din yun eh, skin ko. Meron akong skin ganyan. Loud yung cellphone ko.
Maganda kalaban. Saber kalaban.
Sino kalaban ko?
Layla.
Karina.
1-1.
Karina. Selena.
Mas bigger threat yung 1-1 kasi marunong. May skin. Yan tayo.
Hindi porque may skin, marunong.
Tingnan mo kasi yung emblem niya, oh. Custom emblem. Sweep, pull yourself together, tsaka weakness finder. Pati yung Selena, may expert watch siya. Number 40 ako. Zilong number 40 biga.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
The gun represents justice! And pointing at the bad guys.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
The gun represents justice! And pointing at the bad guys.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. First blood.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. You have slain an enemy.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
pointing at the bad guys.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Gather at the turtle! Understood.
The gun represents death. An enemy has been slain. Time to shine.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Killing spree. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Ally has been. You have slain an enemy. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
An ally has slain
Wala
the
akong
turtle.
ability para magamit.
The gun represents a kill. An enemy has pointing at the bad guys.
So dito, sweet boot.
Ally has been slain.
Pak.
You.
Pa.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Unstoppable! Your team destroyed a turret. Double kill. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. Double kill. You destroyed a turret.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Time to you have been slain. Legendary.
Back home.
Shut down.
Hindi ko nakita ako sa pumunta, bisit.
Has been slain.
Naiwasan yung ano ko. Kakainis.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Sweet boots na, no?
An enemy has
Josh.
been slain.
Sweet boots lang kukunin ko. Na.
Ah,
Tapos ito, Berserker Fury, tapos Rose Gold.
hindi rin ka kayo mag-Rubers. Rubers.
Ah. Tep! Takbo! Tagali!
Once little girl.
Our turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed a turret.
Ay, naman mo! What the heck? Bisit! Ano pa naman yan, oh? Pakakainis minsan ng cellphone na to. Hindi ako bumabaril. Ang bagal bumilos. Pindit ko na eh.
The gun represents
Pakakainis.
justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Bagal dumating eh.
An enemy has been slain.
Diba?
Spree. Double kill.
Movement speed. Yes.
That once
Ay,
little
gusto ko
girl
movement speed eh.
is gonna save
Walang
someone
movement
this
speed
time.
kasi. Visit kasi.
Enemy rampage.
Hintay kayo, visit kayo ha.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
The gun represents. You have been
Come on, Team Zen! Team Zen!
Ally has been slain. Killing spree. Double kill.
Just you wait until I get it.
That once little girl
Ako target nila eh,
is gonna
visit
save
eh.
someone this
Lagi
time.
target nila kasi ko.
Mali na bibili ko.
Unstoppable.
Talang.
An ally has slain the turtle. Shut down.
Talang nga, bulin. Focus kayo.
Press backup.
Ano dito sa 1-1?
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. Request backup. Our turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed the turret. An enemy has been slain.
That once little girl
Our turret is
is
under
gonna save
attack.
someone this time.
An enemy has been slain. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
That once little girl
Team destroyed the turret.
Ah! Pag gano'n! Hindi ko matamaan! Wisit na yan! Wisit! Pag gano'n! Mas malakas pa damage niya, Wisit.
Has been slain. Ally has
Sabi ko
been
na eh, malakas pa damage niya eh. Kasi 3 nakuha niya eh. Sa akin, 2 ba lang eh. 4 na kanya. Naka-gold siya, Wisit. Ang dami niyang gold. Madami siya. Wisit.
When pointing at the bad guys.
Kailangan ko mag-farm ng gold. Para makahabol, para makill ko yung kalaban na yan.
that once little girl
Wisit, di ko makill yung Layla nila dahil sa ano, gold. Kulangan ako.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. Ally has
that once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Dahil lang, gingit ka na dyan sa iba. Wow.
The gun represents justice.
Patay ko na eh.
When pointing at the bad guys.
Patay ko na. Kwarta.
Initiate retreat.
That once little girl
I'm
is gonna save someone this time.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
That once little girl
An enemy has been slain. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
that once little girl is gonna
An
save
enemy has been slain. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. An enemy has been slain.
that once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Trevor of the Lord. The gun represents spree. When pointing at the bad down. You have slain an enemy. Enemy has been slain.
That once little girl
Saber,
is gonna
Saber,
save
Saber.
someone this time.
Saber, nawawala. Para lines natin.
Request backup. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. When pointing at the bad guys.
Ah!
Come back home.
Kailangan ko yung shield mamaya.
Ha?
Kailangan ko yung shield mamaya. Low HP shield.
Ayaw ano, Rockford yan.
Kasi pag wala akong rockford, mabilis na mamatay sa saber eh. Ayun naman nakakapatay sa akin, saber na lang.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Killing spree.
Wag, let's go.
Request backup.
Bullshit! Nakagaw nila. Hindi ko yun, bumaba lang ako agawin eh. Nag-lord sila eh. Puisit naman oh. Ako tatamaan.
Mega kill. An enemy
Buisit na yan. Tatanggal kasi nakakampi natin yung ano eh.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Tatanggalin pa yung kalaban na.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Parang makahil nga eh. Kulit naman eh.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
I'm trying to save our city.
Double kill.
Gusto ko i-save yung city natin. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. This is why I'm doing this. Because their lord is dead.
The
I'm
gun
coming.
represents justice.
I'm coming hard.
When pointing at the bad guys.
Focus! Nagre-record ka, tapos kanya mga pinagsasabi mo.
That once little girl
Bakit,
is
bawal?
gonna save someone this time.
Gusto ko sabihin eh.
Are you gay? You gay?
Nah,
Or?
I'm just...
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. You have slain an enemy.
That once little girl
What the? Ah! Ah!
Ally has been slain. Godlike.
Pisit na yung ano stun na yan eh.
Double kill.
Ako na ano na stun?
Bubuhat sa inyo? Ano?
Kakainis yung stun, visit. Ikaw kaya ma-stun.
Ay, sasama ba? Napana ka ni Selena.
Oo, napana ako. Tapos na-stun ako, di ako maagalaw. Tapos tapos sila dumating.
Malakas ang
Our turret has been destroyed.
Visit. Pag ako na-stun,
Mag-top shoes ka para
anong top shot?
Buray mo yung shoes mo. Top shoes.
Okay.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Baka meron mga enemies na nagtatago. Huwag ka lang
Balik
Wala
tayo sa
tayong vision eh. Kasi pupunta tong mage na.
that once little girl is gonna save
Diba, may nagtatago ng enemy? Totoo nga, may nagtatago nga. Ayun o.
Has been slain.
Nasa base lang ako dahil sa ano.
Baka lang sa base.
The gun represents justice.
Pati yan.
When pointing at the bad guys.
Bantahan ko lang to.
Kape. Kapit ka.
that once little girl
Under attack. Ally has been slain.
Huwag ka na mag-bot. Mag-wind up nature ka.
Wala na, napili ko na eh.
The gun
Go muna ako.
represents justice.
Mag-bot ka.
When pointing at the bad guys.
Andun yung ano, andun yung saber dito.
Kailangan ko lang kasi
Backup.
700 eh.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Enemy has slain Lord.
Oh no!
Our turret is under attack. You have slain an enemy. Enemy double
Bisit, di ko nahabol. Bisit!
Galing ng ano si Reno.
Back.
Ano po ginagawa nyo? Refuse! Pucha na yan eh. Pwede pa tayo makabawi. Pucha na yan. Hindi na kasi mga ano eh. Nakakainis kasi. Tingin mo yung ano natin, na barya. Tingnan mo yung ano natin na barya ko. Sila yung ano niya. Kainis yun minsan yung na barya.
Defeat.
COD kaya.
Yung DP Rose no? Oh, yun.
Di ba na barya si Imo na barya?
Wrong ka na nga lang next time.
Tik-
Yan silang ano.
Naka-
Silver ka lang oh. Average player.
Visit kasi yung ano na yan. Ako target kasi, visit.
Siyempre, MM ka eh.
Pag ako target.
Hindi ka,
Namamatay ako.
para hindi ka lagi target. Oh.
Ayoko mag-MM na. Kasi ako tatarget din. This is why I don't like MM. Ako target nila.
Dapat ako. Iyak ka na naman eh.
Sabi mo, ano na
Iyak
lang
ka
ako.
na naman eh.
MF, roam na lang ako.
Iyak ka na naman eh.
Sabi mo, roam na lang ako eh.
Please, sampalin kita eh.
Ikaw nagsabi, edi ano na doon ako sa kabila, sa XP. Ano? Nge!
XP ka mo. Mag-XP ka. Please. $4,000 matches sa mage. Eudora, 4,000 matches sa mage. Marswan, 1,000 matches. 1,000 matches sa fighter. Kasi ka walang kwenta.
Malamang, di ako naglalaro lagi. Sila lagi naglalaro yan, oh. Andal, grabe naman laro nila, oh.
Kaya pala.
Hindi ako araw-araw naglalaro, eh. Napaka pero madami skin.
Nag-brown na lang ako.
Nawala yung skill ko dati. Magaling ako dati, tapos bigla nawala. Gusto ko ibalik. Kasi hindi ko gawa. Paano kaya magpapalik yung skill na yun?
Yung kasi na naman puta.
Madami pa akong mapili dyan na ano. Magaling pag i-play.
Focus ako, kamaingay.
O ba naman yun, no? Di mo ba patahimik? Salamat sa'yo. Pwede ko i-snipe to. Wala? Ayaw mo na? Uy! 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 Tugtog! Copyrighted!
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Maka-copyright ako eh.
Request 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Sino kalaban ko dito? Lucas?
Request backup.
I'm a man with sad stories.
Request backup. Request backup.
The heart of a warrior never forgets. Too slow. years, I have sharpened my sword for this moment.
Initiate retreat!
Watch your head. One day, I'll return to the lab and burn it to the ground.
Initiate request backup! Initiate retreat!
I'm a man with sad stories.
Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat!
For 10 years, I have sharpened my sword for this moment.
Sino mag-ano?
Too slow.
Gather up the turtle!
Kailangan natin yung turtle. One more, please. One more.
Ally has been slain.
Where's Lucas? I mean, hindi ako lalabat dito.
Initiate retreat!
Ako kasi Lucas.
Never forgets.
Request backup! Launch
Watch your
attack!
head.
Nandiyan si Lucas?
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Nope. Nandun yung Lucas.
Initiate retreat!
One day, I'll return to the lab and burn it to the ground.
Initiate retreat!
Nag-turtle yung Lucas sila.
The heart of a warrior never forgets.
Initiate retreat! An enemy has been slain!
One day, I'll return to the lab and burn it to the ground.
An enemy has been slain!
For 10 years, I have sharpened my sword for this moment.
Request backup!
Watch your head. I'm a man with sad stories.
Ally has been slain! Request backup!
Too slow. Watch your head.
Request backup! Initiate retreat! Request backup! Killing spree! Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Diba? Ayaw ko din tumakas.
Has been slain.
For 10 years, I have sharpened my sword for this moment.
Initiate retreat. Request backup.
I'm a man with sad stories.
What the? What the heck?
Get to be the strongest.
Tayo tumakas! Pwede to cellphone na to! Grabe, ayaw
Destroy the
tumakas.
turret.
Andun lang nakatayo. Nakakainis.
The heart of a
Hindi na pa ako
warrior
pinapindot ng ano yung
never
mobility
forgets.
reset. Ang bagal kasi mag-process ng ano eh. Wisit pa naman kasi.
An enemy has been slain.
Sino ba naman kasi makaka-process ng attack na yan? Kung wala kang attack.
Shut down. Ally has been slain. Shut down. Victory.
Balikan na. May clearing yan.
Return to the land and burn it to the ground.
Request backup.
Nakakainis. Ako nakikill ako, tapos hindi ko sila makill. Wag muna, hindi ako pupunta,
Okay.
nawawala mga enemy. Na-clear ko na to.
I'm a man with sad stories.
Request backup.
Level 9 na pala yun, kaya pala namamatay.
Ally has been
Punta na ako sa
slain.
gitna.
An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed. Gather up the turtle. Okay.
Bukas pa lang ano nila.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Doon kami kay Turtle sa amin eh.
Spree.
For 10 years, I have sharpened my sword for
Doon na punta
this
sa laban
moment.
natin eh.
Enemy
Napunta na ako.
request backup. An enemy has been slain. Enemy triple
Wag,
kill.
wag. Mamamatay lang ako.
Request backup.
Punta ako dyan.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Napakalayo ng lane mo sa amin.
Request backup.
Saka lang magpunta. Saka pag nandyan yan, ano, kalaban.
Wala, pinapabayaan
The
ko
heart
yun.
of a warrior
Dito lang sa tower, pero hindi
never
ko
forgets.
Our turret
lalapitan
is
yung
under
ano.
attack.
Pero pag nakita ko sila, atakihin ko sila.
Request backup.
Watch your head.
An enemy has been slain.
One day, return to the land.
Tangina, stun kasi na yan eh! Poison na yan, stun na yan! Kaki! Pag ako na-stun, di ako makagalaw!
Siyempre, stand yun eh.
Poison na ako makill! Putang ina, hindi ko makill siya! Poison na stun na yan! Ako target! Ako lagi na-stun! Pag ganun ako lagi na-stun! Araw-araw na lang!
Our turret is under attack.
Wala namang ibang na-stun! Ako lang!
Enemy double kill.
Ano, brown na lang tayo.
Okay bro, tayo. Taas ito.
Too slow.
Request backup.
I didn't even get to be the strongest.
Request
Sinubukan ko ano yun yung isa, tapos ano?
Subukan, napaka-ahead ng gold nila oh.
Request backup.
Understood.
1-3 kasi hindi ako nakikill kanina, tapos yung isa,
Kaya na naman.
ako target nila minsan eh. Ang ina, wala naman kasi.
I'm a man with sad stories.
Okay, this minsan eh. Hilahin ko yan. Pay ka? Takihin natin?
Request backup.
Kaya yan.
Hindi natin ito kaya. Pag sinabi kong hindi.
Huwag nga mag-lag!
Yan.
Too slow.
Pwisit tong cellphone na to! Gay, lag ka pa! Visit ko! Hindi ko pindot, tangina kasi lag na to. Visit tong lag na to, cellphone na to, lagging. Kakainis.
For
Hindi
10
ko mapindot
years,
SS ko pag
I have
naglalag.
sharpened my
Pag
sword
napindot
for
ko,
this
maglalag ako.
moment.
Wisit eh. Kanina, tingnan mo. Nandito sa lava, tapos bigla
Of a
maglalag.
warrior never forgets.
Kakainis.
Enemy rampage.
Another one bites.
Killing spree.
Watch your head.
Enemy rampage. Request backup. Ally has been slain.
Balik!
Initiate retreat.
Ano ba ikaw?
For 10 years,
Wisit na yan, no?
I have sharpened my
Retreat!
sword for this moment.
Initiate retreat.
Balik! Pagtanggol.
Too slow.
Kala mo mahuli mo ako.
Request
Nah.
backup.
I will never be someone.
I would never be home.
Request backup.
Naku.
Launch attack. Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Bites the dust.
Sakto yung kill ko na assist. Sino naka-kill? Ikaw?
Melissa.
Pwede isa? Nangagaw ng kill?
Kill.
Nangagaw ng kill, dumating siya, bigyan nag-kill. Para mag-kill lang ng ano? Ang ano nang kakampi natin? Tingnan mo kung sino pa ano dyan. Kaya na naman ako ano, dahil ako target,
I'm a
nakakainis.
man with sad stories.
Ay, ito naman kasi pakain, nakakainis.
Sino ikaw?
Ayun,
1-4 ka eh.
mas kawawa to, buwisit to. Kaya naman 1-4 kasi ano,
Sige nga, sino? Sabihin mo.
Edora.
Hindi ko kayo nakaka-distract ng teammate eh. Nakaka-distract ng kalaban.
Kaya naman ako na ano, kasi ano, dami-dami nila kalaban. Nakakainis. Sige, kalabanin mo, ang dami, 4. Nakakainis yung ano niyan ah. Kanina eh, lapit ko na. Uy, wag.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Uy! Protect the base! Atakihin mo! Wala silang SS! Walang SS yan! Wala nang SS yun eh! Ginamit niya na kanina eh! Wala nang SS yun eh!
Retreat.
Goodbye to me, world.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Ang ano naman kasi natin, yung ano niya, Pwede kasi yung ano natin, hindi
The
kinukuha
heart
yung
of a
turtle.
Ayan
warrior
na si Odette.
never forgets.
Ally has been slain.
Nakita mo yung top na.
Eh! Pucha na yung ayaw mapindot ang ano, AOE! Buwisit ang AOE na to! Kakainis! Ang tagal mapindot! Ang ina ka talaga selfo ka! Buwisit eh! Nagalistan! Di mo din napindot! What the fuck? Lugi naman kasi yung skin na yan! Buwisit na tong cellphone na to!
Skin.
Skill na yan! Buwisit na skin na yan! Putak
Kala
tin!
ko kung ano eh.
Ay, parang mga di mapindot ng skill! Buwisit pa naman! Kanina mapaputay ko yung ito te! Buwisit na yan! Ano klaseng Odette yan? Di mo makill dahil sa ano?
Too slow.
Your team destroyed an ally has been slain.
I'm not gonna get... Kailangan ko ulit.
Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat!
Mag-gold out lang kayo.
Initiate retreat! Press back and slay!
Takting yan.
Ally has our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain.
Ano naman pala eh.
Our turret is under attack.
A man with sad stories.
Ally has attack.
Hindi pwede mag-defend.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Nag-lord sila, nag-lord.
Request backup.
Understood.
Hindi.
The heart of a warrior never forgets. One day, another one fights the top.
Wala na ikaw mapindot na skin! Takti ba naman kasi ayaw pa naman siya mapindot! At tagal-tagal mapindot! Pwede test ko na! Pwede ito yan! Ayaw mag-loading eh! Tangina kasi!
Initiate.
Pagan! Tanggal na yung stand! Ayaw pa mag-loading! Pucha na yan! Kakainis na to ah! Kakainis! Ba't ayaw matanggal sa stand? Visit na yan!
An enemy has been slain.
Gaigi! Ay, gumamay ng skill! Refuse!
Enemy double kill. Initiate retreat.
Maghintay kayo. Hintay lang kayo dito sa ano ko. Malakas na ano ko to.
For 10 years,
Dadami siya ko.
I have sharpened my sword for this moment.
Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Ayun yung mga kuha ko ng sticky. Critical damage. Maghintay kayo sa physical damage ko. Kala nyo ano.
One day, I'll return to the lab and burn it to the
Huli ako
ground.
eh.
Another one fights the top.
Ngi! Binawasa ko na yung tank nila eh. Hindi pa dinami dyan. Tingnan mo. Ngi! Tinatang ko na nga yung mga ano yung damage eh. Di pa lumapit. Ang lapit-lapit ng iba sa atin, tapos hindi siya pa dinami dyan, visit. Kakainis?
Ay naman. Boy pa siya!
Uy, protektahan yung base! Ako bahala sa tank na yan. Papatayin ko yan.
Oo, papatay yung tank.
I-burst ko na yung gamit ko.
I'm a man with sad stories.
Reverse.
Another one fights the dust.
Ay, tumama! Ba't ganun? Kimon! Ah, sayang! Visit kasi skin na yan eh.
Our base is under attack.
Hang in there. Hang in there.
Our base is under attack.
Gana. Sayang! Kakainis kanina!
Bro na lang tayo. Bro na lang tayo. Yeah. Kasama ko ito na yung...
Ako kasi natatarget ng ano mga kalaban, visit. Alam mo yung tatargeting ka nila, yung tatlo sila tatarget ka? No?
Oo na.
Target visit. Dapat pala di ako pumesto dun, takte. Sumama ako sa yung dalawa. Para ano, maprotektahan ko yung iba sa inyo. Kakainis. Oy. Oh, invite mo ako. Collect mo na to. Yung squad natin. Ano ba? Ha? Phone ka. Hindi ka mag-exit? Kakainis eh na ito ba sindo?
Ano na? Okay.
Kala ko ako yung invite mo.
Ano mo?
Oh my God. Kakainis yung mga kampi kanina. Ang ano, ay mapinot kanina na skill ko, visit. Alam mo, pipindutin mo na yung skill mo, tapos biglang maglalag.
Mas lang nakaka-stress.
Hawakan mo yung cellphone
Ang
ko.
ingay mo.
Tingnan mo, hawakan mo yung cellphone ko. Yung likod.
Dali yan muna.
Pakita ko sa'yo ha. Oh, init.
Namang ganun kayo.
Pag ganyan kainit yung cellphone ko, pag ganyan kainit to, visit, napakalag, visit, nakainis na to. Kaya nga ayoko ng ano eh. Malaging kasi, visit kasi.
Ako.
Ba't ganyan ka? Ikaw na lang yung hindi nag-ano.
Galag nga ako. Bakit hindi?
Bro to. Let's go. I'm gonna be this time. I'm gonna be this. Nawala yung ano dito. Thank you for the hero, Supernova. Di ko alam kung ilan dice na yung meron ako.
FU.
14 na ata, meron. BWR, okay, impactor. Ba't may BWR pa ako?
Kasi sa squad mo yun.
Ah, squad pala yan. Kaya pala.
Dapat BYR eh. Hindi naman PWR.
Ay,
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
As twilight falls, the new moon draws near. You can't run from my arrows.